All right, check this out. You guys are going to love this. Oh yeah, this is a poached pear. Now I'm going to show you guys how to do this in 1 second, but before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell for notifications. Now let's get right to it. For this recipe, we're going to use 2 pears. Now we're making a slit. Right here, what we're doing is we're cutting the stem from the inside, but we're not poking through the back. We're going to use an apple core to get that core. In this case, it's a pear core. Now we're going to peel the pears. And you want to make sure that everything is clean, right? Keep your kitchen clean, very important. Now the next step, we are going to put these in a pan and we're going to grab some of this port wine. Now we're going to do about 2 cups of this port wine. We're going to squeeze half a lemon juice. And we're going to add a generous amount of cinnamon. And then about 2 tablespoons of our brown sugar. Now we're going to start boiling these pears until they are nice and soft. And once they are soft, we're going to take them out of the port wine. But we're going to let the port wine reduce. We're going to let that boil and let it reduce until it reaches a consistency that's a little thicker. That right there looks about right. Now we're going to turn off the heat and let that cool down till it's room temp. Once it's room temp, it's going to be a little thicker than this. Now we can go ahead and put our pears back in this port wine sauce. We just let them sit there for this next step. In a pan, we're going to take some graham crackers. Now we can crush these by hand, like so. Or we could go ahead and just crush them by the packet, like so. And we're going to add about 1/4 of a bar of butter. And then 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And a pinch of salt just to balance everything out and enhance the flavors of everything. Now we're going to put this on the heat just to melt the butter a little bit. We don't want to toast it. And we're going to use a wooden spoon to make sure everything is combined. Now we're going to make some whipped cream. And for that, we're going to use some heavy whipping cream. We're going to add a little bit of vanilla. About 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. We're going to keep whipping. Now we're adding some cinnamon. So we're going to keep whipping until we reach a thicker consistency like this. Now let's put it all together and see what it looks like. And don't be afraid to make a mess with the sauce, man. The more mess you got on the plate with the sauce, the better. Look at that thing. Oh, trying to make your wifey fall in love with you again? This is it right here. This is it right here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell for notifications. And keep cooking. Keep eating, but keep it healthy.